You, the newest daktari in town. She's none other but Dr. Charity Wangui Kibe. Let us appreciate her with a clap. Let us all be standing in a clap for her. Kindly, Wajani Wako Daktari, let us hear now what you have to say. Karibu sana, we may have our seats. Karibu.
Thank you so much. I don't know what to say, but because I have so much to say. One, I have so much to tell God. I am so grateful to God. He has taken His strength, His grace, His favor. It is just been a journey with the Lord. And one thing I've been testifying even before I started my PhD is that so for me, God has been a good friend. Not just my father, not just my Lord, but He has been a good friend. So and I have every reason, and with a lot of humility, to just tell God I am grateful for this far. And as many who have talked here about the God I was, and there was also my school mom, my high school mom. Flo would tell me, even today she reminded me, and she remembers the naive girl who entered Loreto Kiambu. The uniform they are uniform size the list of the sizes in the school. And I thank God. By the time they get form uniform so it has been a journey. And as Sarah had said from Gatei, that we come probably from the humblest of homes. Now, my Tamagira who's Yakanda, we are done and you got the Sunday school day, the Demadikanagia. We don't know the Mahana Gale, as in the pan near Chaco. One my Toa Martin got the Gahoyo. And they double to Quaco Ragano. There was it, you know, as in Kogera, who got to go wheelbarrow, got but I'm not bragging. This is to the glory of God. Or more than this is our parking. Because God has blessed us with my sisters. Sisters, we are 10 girls in our family. Hey, that's what I'm bragging. I have my 10 sisters from one mother. And God has blessed us. My auntie actually, when my dad passed on, one of my aunts told me that they can go Friday. You know, the coffins are made from people. But little did they know, they thought that they needed to Gimara. So by the time she came by coffee packet or carry from Manjeragia, they really never Africa. You know, for the Africa, she didn't even know. She was GK, you know, you are that. Toria would be to that level, but I thank God today. And you saw me with my aunts, so I am because we would remember the journey and how it has been. So seeing this day come here, we can only give God glory, as in it has only taken the Lord. And my PhD classmate, Charles, will tell you, we started, we were many of us. We were 14, Charles? Yes, and 2 of them dropped out. Out of the others, it's 2 of us who have graduated as the first ones. And we are the pioneers of the business PhD class of St. Paul University. So we take pride in being the first, and the first in our family as well. One of my cousins was telling me, you are the first doctor. So I give God all the glory. I told her, all glory be to God. And I have so many people that I would appreciate while standing here. And I know time is not on our side. One, because I know you no longer need to go back home. You also have to, I want us to share the cake. But I am grateful for every person who has played a role in my life. From my parents, Mami Haria, my Toa Martini, the Mami Joy, the Demote, the Demohete, gĩtĩo kĩrĩa gĩothe na ũteithio ũrĩa wothe ingĩhota kũhe mami, God is a witness that I do it as much as I can. Harĩa itakinyĩte gũkinya nĩ tondũ ndihotete, na ndakinya ho naho no ndĩmũkinyia ho. So I thank God for what you have done. Maitũ wa Gĩtaũ, wa Gathua, aciari aya ndĩmamenyete, and I give this testimony many times. Ndĩmamenyete atĩrĩrĩ, atumia arĩa mainaga nyĩmbo cia kĩroho, wĩhoke Mwathani, you know those songs, I have them while asleep. No setting yet in the bedroom ya aciari, sitting room the aciana. So at night I would still hear her sing, I would still hear her pray, and those prayers, we are seeing the fruit of them. I know it may not even be much of my prayers, but I know the prayers that my mother made in tears and worshiping God, we are seeing the fruits today. So I want to encourage the mothers here and my age mates and those who are mentoring those who are behind us, that it is not in vain to keep praying for your children. And you know, you know, but should bow and kneel in that house and pray for us, and you're enjoying the fruits of her prayers. Mami nashiaria kwamba wa modia wa Gĩtaũ Ngai witũ angĩmũrathima nĩ ũndũ wa mahoya marĩa mwana tũhoera na marĩa mũthiĩte na mbere na kũhoya, o toguo twaina nĩ kũrĩ Ngai wĩ igũrũ ũiguaga na agacokia mahoya, nĩ tondũ wĩhokeku wake tũngĩikara haha no tũrahire mweri mũgima na wĩhokeku ũcio wage gũthira. I also want to appreciate my husband George. Thank you so much. I got married very young. Probably that is a bit that you do not know. I was 20 years old, but I am grateful I got married at that time. If I was to redo it, I would still take the same choices, because looking back and looking at the journey that God has taken us, I am grateful that that is what God has purposed for my life. And I am grateful for the support that He's given me and for the space. And we both sat and agreed that you take the academic journey you want, and as you do the business, because I love business, I will be doing the investments. And it's done well with that. So we have the two sides for our children to copy. They know business investments can run well. They know the academic and the career path can also run well. And in agreement, there's no conflict, there's no competition, there's no comparison. We thank God for all that He's done for us. So I am grateful, my dear husband George, and our children. From about 10 years ago, we stopped hiring house helps. So we've not had a house help in our house. So it has been us working with our children, and you can tell that when work and studies are combined, at times I've not had enough time to do some of the house chores. But we've all agreed, but we are okay without a house help. And it has worked well for us as a family. I am grateful for that support from my family. I am grateful to God and to dear friends. I have a network of good friends. Koi and Gĩtaũ, where are you? These are people I need to just appreciate. Koi and Gĩtaũ. Yeah, so you can see Koi is having a small baby, but she has ran errands for me even on this occasion. I told her, need I get graduation? When I see girl, you run with it. And you can see they've done a good job. They'll be there for our children. Like, you know, my baby in a very special way appreciate my aunt, though I know she's left. Auntie Jambi. Auntie Jambi is left. Yes, Auntie Jambi. It is not a normal thing that a relative will do. When I was growing up and in the humility of our family, when I got a grade that would take me to the university, one kid, my late uncle, and the family, they took me in. Paid school fees for me. I stayed there with them, and they would take care of the needs in my life. And my aunt, Jambi, I'm a last born yakina, my mom. So you can imagine when you're very tight with her, she would sit and she would guide me and tell me so many things. When I got married, I remember one story well, as a mother too, as a mother figure in my life. And I thank God for her. So I want to appreciate Auntie Jambi and her children, Emma, Vicky, and Eva, and because you've been my tight cousins, and I appreciate you so much. Pastor Waroy, Reverend Waroy, they left, as well as they said, we were, that is how we went to church. And it spotted us. And one time, we were in a two-bedroom, not two bedroom, 2 rooms. Then we were in the rain, so Pastor is here. Now we are going to shopping. No Pastor, and you are okay. Dufia, then a shukari, Naginya Mashani, not to feel a shady Canadian Yoba. I served Reverend Martin hot water, and he prophesied in my life. Nagatura Shiva Deuteronomy. At the Mogikara, the Mogaya Mukia Porori Iria, Naoki, Motikana Riganero. And those words have remained a pillar in our lives. He's been a father figure in our lives, a spiritual father figure. Because I was a student by then at KU. You can imagine I was below 20 years. And those are the counsels I was being told and the prophecies in my life. And today I stand here and can only testify of the goodness of God, because surely I have walked a journey with the Lord and I have seen the goodness and the faithfulness of God. I have my colleagues from all places that I have worked. Of course, but I work in Cardio, nilikuwa nimefanya hustle, you know. Diraga mami atendire dirona wera. Dikira Nairobi. I would get back home and I tell my mother, no draruta wera e, no hoera nyane wera mwegega. Do you know what I was doing? I was hawking nyanya in the Durai market. Sinikazi, digiri e muko. And I kept trusting God that God would give me a job. And I would go, heda to hoya gira kadura. Those people who know Karura heda ya hoya gira prayer center to dia grugaile. Not like now you go to rooms to a prayer center. Those are the days we pray from Karura. And I thank God because God had me and gave me a job. So my starting point was with the table there, the deals, and of course, sio kazi ni ya heshima. Kasi kubrag by the way. Kuna kofia na salute ya askari. Napenda uko wapi? Ilikuwa tu wewe na heshima yake. Mtu ametoka kuuza nyanya. Alafu Mungu anakupatia kazi ya dio. Seriously, unapigiwa salute. Uko na uniform. Unaenda kwa uwanja watoto wanakuibia. Dio vitu. You know, it was something to tell God, I am grateful for what you've done. So this is a team that we started with. And it was very prestigious, and it's still a prestigious job. So ukipata usidharau, okay? It's a good place to start at. This team, we started together, went to Manyani, and parameter is not an easy one. You know, to show of what we used to do, because these are bodies that you but these bodies can do so much. We don't need to bebeleza them. You can stay a week without breathing. Imagine how utakufa. Na mkika na wenye mmekaa hivyo wiki moja hamjaoga. Na hakuna kitu unabadilisha. Na uko na boots na socks. Duke socks, na una survive by the way. So you can be stretched. This is na bebeleza. Midi can do so much. So ukijipata ukommission na uko na distance. Pika wekaka stereo by the way. So you know that you take hakuna kijiko. Ugali ni ya white na cabbage. Ile mikono inakula ukiguza tu hivi. Unaona kanole ya kale ya gimakenda iko. As adults, do you tukienda kwa station tunapigwa salute. We were humbled that we take that ugali in that way, okay? So I appreciate you, dear ones. Thank you. We have worked it and we will remain friends because of the journeys we have gone. And I pray that God will keep lifting us to higher levels of glory. And then I came to the county, and the team that I started with was the Liburi team. They gave me the experience of the county, and then went to Kiamba, had very good relationship with those people that I've worked with there, and then came to the finance department, and I to the county. Then I've survived, and I've learned how to do it from that end. And my team from State House and the Kasarani, you know, those other different levels where again you enjoy a different setting. So keep on a transfer, ikubali, go there and tell God, let me know the purpose for which you've taken me there, not just for work, but even the purpose of God, why you're in that particular station. And every station I have gone, nikitoka, najiulizanga, what did I do in this place? What did God send me here to do? Have I accomplished it? And anytime I know that this has been done, I am very ready. Nikitumwa fatigue, naenda kiroho safi. So when you get those transfers, move and appreciate them, and when you go there, serve God in that capacity and in the stations where you've gone. I think I will not really be able to appreciate like everyone. The carriers, wako na mutumia mutugate to recognize the mom waputia. Mutumia no apata kana no waputia is my good friend ni babake Koi, and they've been very supportive. I remember during my master's graduation reception, he gave me a book titled "See You at the Top." And today I have his apology because there was something they were doing as men. They were at Sabo, so he sent his apologies. But that is a book he gave me. And today I am happy because I've moved to another top. Because we keep sharpening our tools by reading books, by listening to inspirations, by opening ourselves to have some value added into our lives. And another father figure who was also not able to come, the director of administration in OP. He's Paul Famba. He sent his apology at the last minute. Working at the headquarters, my colleagues there will tell you it's not easy for you to just walk away. You may plan, but it's not possible for you to just make a decision that you'll not be there. He had purpose to be here, but he wasn't here. When my dad passed on, he was my boss. And I was broken. I didn't know now as the firstborn in the family, where do you start? Tumeachwa na watoto wako nyuma na wako shule wote, and there was so much that required to be done. But Famba stood there as a father figure in my life, and he has worked with me. Every time, even when I'm moving, I'm asking, hey daddy, where do you know mambo ya civil service? This is what has come. Would you advise me on how to go about it? And I have not been given an advice that I have regretted. Things that I've moved into, I consulted. I am a person who consults widely when I'm making decisions. I had the views, and he has guided me well, and I appreciate him so much. I am very, very grateful to him and the family. The entire family became my friends, and I look forward that each one of us here would desire that you have a mentor in your life. Each one of us here would desire that there are people who are following you. But you know, people will not just follow you. They want to know, why are we following you? What value are you adding as you follow you? So I want to challenge us that let us look for mentors, people who have gone ahead of us, and let us also mentor others behind us. I want to appreciate Lucy and your family. I am grateful. These are family. And another lady who was also here, another Lucy who was our secretary, who was my secretary at Kimuru. And these are people who I found, despite being my secretaries, there are people who have given me motherly advice. As in they here, and they become like my mother. I would consult them despite being my secretaries. Esther, are you here? Esther Mboro. Esther, you go up? Yes, come here. At least now you were not here when the others were here. Yeah, I'm working with her as our secretary in the office, and a dear sister, Ibibi Mtugaji Pia, and I am grateful because all Raven Boro, let us recognize you. Mtu Mungu, kuja Thomas, kapita itoke kwa. Yes, when I came to the finance department, thank you so much, Reva. When I came to the finance department, I was welcomed by this lady as our secretary, and we became friends in the family. And they're also my neighbors. I came to realize they're my neighbors at Goigwa, and they're wonderful people. They have helped me in prayers. I've told them, Nenda defense. Why in Ninyiji, I'm counting on you as I go for defense, and they'll lift up their hands, and God has seen me through. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. So the team, their office, Kina Rose, Faye, Grace, you know, if I was to mention as that, it's a line nikikuja hivi. The OK fraternity, right, I can see you there. Thank you so much for being here. I am grateful. If I would appreciate each and everyone that has worked with me. I wouldn't be able to complete this speech. Tutalala hapa, and I know hamkukuja hapa kesha. You'd also want to go home and run with your other activities. But I want you to feel you are so much appreciated. Thank you so much, even for accepting to be here. Then mawatara maundu maria ungewikaga kwi Friday, agira ndio gichuzire gukoma, tondu regiwe na balance cia toro. You had other important things that you would have done, but you chose to be here with us and celebrate with us, and you give God all the glory. And all that I pray is that for honoring this invitation, may the Lord bless you in a great way. May the Lord meet you at your very point of need. Waturia marukwera Ngai uria urabatara. Ngai witu arokuigua na akuhingirie. Ngai witu aragwikira maundu manene ma gukuririkanagia. And I pray that today you will have a beginning. Uguo twahunjirio kiugo kia umuthi. Wa kuigua undu ungi. Gikeno kia umuthi ugikuya atiriri. You've been challenged. That kirekirerio ni kiega gukira kiambiriria. So go and start something and trust God that the end shall be good. It shall end in victory. It cannot end in embarrassment. It cannot end in defeat. And that God shall see you through. And with that, I want to thank God and may the Lord bless you. And kindly, mutigathimureke turianire keki tondu nyure nyu matigari ma muthenya wa umuthi akuria keki mwitikire tu gweterera until we are through with the cake. Kindly, that is my prayer. And I want to appreciate a colleague. I worked with her at Kiamba, Madam Irene.